This is the second annual Strongest Engine. So, who are we gonna start with? Okay, who are we starting with?
Thomas.
Okay, Tommy.
And guess who? Kahuna Matata.
Who else?
Thomas. Arthur.
Arthur.
Okay.
Here comes Arthur.
Get off the track, buddy. Go.
Okay, put them back to back.
Pro games. Back to back.
On your marks. Set. Go.
Come on. They're gonna meet up in the bridge. Looks like I'm a training course. Really?
Can you get your foot out of the course?
We have a penalty in the field. In the waiting field.
Okay, let's call it a tie.
Tie games.
Now, how are we gonna decide this? You say?
We vote.
No.
Who is in
Okay.
this territory the longest time?
Okay, put it out there.
Okay,
You have to be in the enemy territory the most time. Whoever pushes their person down the hill wins.
ready?
Okay, on your marks.
Okay, set.
Set. Go.
Oh, looks like we got a cleaner.
Arthur wins.
Arthur won. Tommy.
Okay, let's go to the training course because apparently this one doesn't work as good.
Okay, training course. We have Star Louie who's
Training
already on here versus Arthur.
Scar Louie and Arthur.
Want a chair?
No. We'll introduce our cast after this match. Oh!
Star Louie was training well.
Scar Louie! He's about to win! Okay.
And once he makes it there.
Oh! Arthur! Arthur won!
Tommy, you're off.
He had a quick decision. Flipped him off.
Really, Eric? Yes, Eric.
Okay, crew members. Andy Gressel, main producer and maker of the track and the person who owned the track.
Collector.
Eric was hitting rocks and pretty much has nothing to do because he just came. And Kane, who also just came.
Who came after?
Yeah. And then me, the cameraman, Jacob.
And who also is getting me Minecraft on my birthday.
Maybe. Yes, Minecraft is awesome.
Okay, so
Next match, who is it?
next match is going to be Henry. He's sort of a handicapped engine to us.
Let's do. We need to take that bridge off so I can do something.
Okay. Default. Okay, Kaden, put this whole
Okay.
back in. Oh, the track right here. Eric's default track failed.
Okay, we're good.
Yep.
Okay, Andy.
Yep. Okay, ready? He's hitting rocks.
Okay, now you want a chair.
Now you want a chair. Okay.
Ready? Turn Henry on.
I'm the number 3.
Green engine. Go.
Too late of a territory start.
Oh.
Hey, what? There's a rock. Okay, restart.
Okay, restart, restart.
Restart.
Hey, I can take that track.
Technical issues.
Technical.
Henry's a bit slow.
Kind of.
Yeah, Kaden, he was in a few videos also.
I'm Henry.
He started.
Oh! Meets at the middle. Oh, Henry's plowing him down.
He's like, yeah! Do it. And
Oh,
Henry's off track too.
I know, but
He
Arthur's
pushed him
more
off
off.
first. Okay, who did we do?
Okay.
already? Toby. Okay, we did all. Toby. Toby.
Did all of those. Well, we didn't do all of those. Some don't have battery.
Den.
Yeah, Den. Den.
He's a diesel.
Wait, didn't Den already lose against Arthur?
Well, we're still versing.
Or no, that was Arthur and Thomas, yeah.
So we're. Doesn't matter which side they're on. Okay, ready?
Set.
On Henry. Toot toot.
Go.
Oh! Henry's coming. Henry's.
Me at the middle.
Oh! They're putting up a dog fight.
The dangerous duel.
Oh, Dan! Dan wins.
No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, he does. He's off.
Henry, back to handicap station. These are all engines that work and that lost.
That work, lost, and some don't work because they don't have batteries. Some also don't work.
Victor!
Victor against.
We need Dan. Dan, Andy.
Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Meet at the middle. Boom.
Oh, Victor.
No, no,
Dan.
no.
Dan.
Did not pull you off that much.
Oh, it's a big fight.
Big.
He's off. Let's go, Dan.
No, not that much. He has to be on the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tie. Okay, turn them off.
They have to reverse each other.
Yeah, because he broke the bridge.
Okay, ready?
Toby versus winner.
We're reversing each other on this side. Will you stop?
Oh, Toby's. No, we have Dennis still.
They're gonna meet up over here now.
And
Oh, what? Oh, what? Sorry.
technical issues.
About the track, okay.
Okay, and his ball is hurting my butt bones.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Meet up by the middle. Boom. Collision.
Oh! Looks like they're shaking the track.
They're truly a good match.
Oh, yeah. I just thought of something really cool.
Okay. After this.
Oh, come on. I say we should take Victor off.
I say Victor loses
Victor lost.
because he's off the track a little bit. Okay, Andy, what's your idea? Actually, don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. No, Dennis. Dennis.
Okay.
Dennis and Toby.
Dan versus his brother Dennis.
They're gonna reverse each other.
Oh.
Brother rivalry. Ready, set, go. Boom! Looks like Den won.
Dan
'cause
won.
Dennis's tire was off.
Dan won!
Okay, now Den and Toby.
Let me put him in the handicap.
Den and Toby, okay.
Let's go, Toby.
Last match of the day.
Let's go, Dan. Let's go, Toby. We'll have a surprise. Let's go, Toby.
We all close our eyes.
Let's go, Toby. Let's go. Let's go, Toby. Let's go. Let's go, Toby.
Not the wheel, or not a good wheel.
Stop. Come on, Toby. We have to predict the winner.
No, don't.
Move.
Get out of the way of the camera.
No. Really? We have to just sit here and watch them?
Den.
Dan wins. What? Prediction.
Boom!
Dan is our champion.
Okay, what's the surprise, Andy?
Surprising?
Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Was it Cheetos?
It's very.
I wish.
No. I wish it was Minecraft.
How about cheese?
Oh,
How about Dan
Cheddar
versus
fries.
Arthur in that?
No.
wait, first we gotta test them out on it.
I know. That was King's fault.
You hit James.
That's all for today, folks.